Okay, guys, let's start with the BTC. What's going on with the BTC? So BTC, honestly, to be very honest with you guys, I was expecting, it came to 31,000. I was actually expecting it to take 31,700 and possible 32K. But we did evaluate our short idea and we went short here, if I'm not wrong, here at this level. Okay, that was 300, and we just reevaluate our short idea. So we took a shot here, and that was a hell of a trade, guys. Trade ने बहुत अच्छा किया, and that was a really nice trade. So technically, if you guys see here, that we never overcome 3,700. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, as you guys can see here, we try to break this. Okay, and this is on 4 hour, right? We did try to get above it, but we could not, and we rejected at this level, and we started this downtrend. If we had closed daily above this region, $30,700, then it would have gone to $31,700 like a no problem, right? But as always, we should be prepared for the both upside and the downside as well. So first, let's see what's going on right now. It's just to hold this range of $27,300. But even though for short term, I do not think it's over, guys. If you just look at the structure point of view, is not over. It is looking all right. But as always, we had mentioned this thing that Ethereum, $2,000 to $2,100 is where you take profit. Bitcoin, you guys all know last time we took a trade here, right? At, if I'm not wrong, at this level, okay? We took this trade, and here I posted in the group that we are closing this trade. So that was a very nice trade. So what I see in the group is, people take this trade and they take profit, they fully close it, and they want to re-long it. There is no point of, doing that. Again, I will repeat this thing. Tell yourself, do you want to make money? Do you slowly want to see that your portfolio is going up, your trading count is going up, or you just want to, take trades? If you want to take trades, if you want to let your emotions run, you're going to lose money. Okay. Always have this on back of your mind. Tell yourself, do not overtrade. Okay, don't look for every trade, even there is no setup, you're trying to, make money. Guys, greed, it will cost you everything. Okay. If you are being greedy and you want to take every trade, you won't be able to win all the trades, guys. Even the best traders in the world, they have accuracy of 55% or 60%. The thing is, they win 60% because their risk isn't managed. They only use 1 to 2% per account, right? Per trade of their account, right? But what I see in the group, that people going with the 80% of the account, 90% of the account, and some fellas they had 100% of their account. Guys, I cannot, I have no control over your fingers and no control over your trading account. Right? If you keep doing this, trust me, you will just blow up your account. What's the point of making money when you are, just giving it away? Trust me, since I've closed this, BTC trade and Ethereum trade, I have not taken any single trade. I did take a shot at these levels, but that was it. I haven't taken any trade, guys. So let's come back to BTC again. Okay, what's going on with BTC? So I am also going to post group as well. So we are going to take a long position at this level, and that is 26 $700, 26 700 800 पे हम ये पोजीशन लेंगे. सो स्टॉप लॉस आप रखिए इसके 26,300 पे. ठीक है, तो आपका टेक प्रॉफिट 1 क्या होगा? आपका टेक प्रॉफिट 1 होगा 27,500. टेक प्रॉफिट 2 होगा 28,000 एंड टेक प्रॉफिट 3 होगा $28,700. इसके बाद यू जस्ट मूव योर स्टॉप लॉस हायर. उसके बाद आप क्या कर सकते हैं, मतलब किसी को नहीं पता कि मतलब कितना ऊपर जा सकता है, लेकिन आप यहाँ पे इसको मतलब इट्स अ वेरी नाइस ट्रेड. मतलब अगर आप इस ट्रेड को लेते हैं तो मैं भी ग्रुप में जैसे हम लॉग ऑफ करेंगे आई विल शेयर इट द ग्रुप एज वेल. ठीक है, लेकिन अगर बात की जाए मतलब अगर $26,700 मतलब नहीं होल्ड करता तो तब मैं कहां पे इंटरेस्टेड हूं. आपको मैं ये बताता हूं कि ये ट्रेड्स जो हैं क्विक इन एंड आउट हैं. मतलब दे कैन टर्न इनटू नाइस स्विंग ट्रेड्स. Very possible they can turn into nice swing trade. Okay, but these trades are quick in and out. You go into this trade, take profit 127,300, take profit 2 27,900. मतलब you go and take money out and put stop loss at break even. अगर हम देखे जाए तो ये बहुत ही ज्यादा मतलब एक इम्पोर्टेंट चार्ट का रीजन है. मैं हर बार आप लोगों को ये बोलता हूं कि 26,700 जो है एक बड़ा रीजन है चार्ट पे. मतलब इसको हम वी लूज अगर वीकली लेवल पे हम इसको लूज करते हैं सो मोस्ट लाइकली अवर टारगेट विल बी $24,700. ओके, पिछली बार भी मतलब मैंने ये मतलब बोला था कि अगर हम यहाँ पे आप मतलब शॉर्ट नहीं कर सकते, द ट्रेड इज लॉन्ग. आप हम डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे लॉन्ग लेना चाहेंगे, लेकिन अगर आप इस एरिया को गिव अप करते हो मोस्ट लाइकली यू आर ट्रेवलिंग टू दिस रीजन ऑफ द चार्ट एंड दैट इज $24,700. यहाँ पे भी आपको एक अच्छी मतलब लॉन्ग पोजीशन मिल सकती है, लेकिन ये लॉन्ग पोजीशंस ऐसे वैलिड है. आप यहाँ पे $24,700 पे एंटर हुए, $25,300 पे आपने टेक प्रॉफिट 1 लिया, 26,100 पे आपने टेक प्रॉफिट 2 लिया, आपने अपने स्टॉप लॉस ब्रेक इवन पे कर दिए. ठीक है, सो मैं देख रहा था कि मतलब हाँ मतलब क्योंकि जब हम अपसाइड को जा रहे हैं तो काम है कि जो ऊपर वाले लेवल हैं उनको मतलब डिस्कस किया जाए कि कहां तक हम जा सकते हैं, कहां पे रिजेक्ट हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो जैसे हम डाउनफॉल शुरू हुआ हम लोगों ने ग्रुप में शॉर्ट ट्रेड डाली एंड दिस वाज अ ग्रेट सेटअप, राइट? सो टेक प्रॉफिट 1 2 3 ऑलरेडी डन. ओके, सो आई विल एडवाइस यू guys don't fully close this trade. Okay, leave it open and keep 20 to 25% of the position open and put stop loss at break even. 30,000, 200, 300, 30,000, $500, whatever was your entry, right? But keep this trade open. It can turn into a very nice swing trade opportunity. It can turn into very, very nice swing trade opportunity. So don't fully close it. But coming to this region of chart, हम यहाँ पे लॉन्ग लेंगे एंड आई विल शेयर सेटअप इन दी मेन ग्रुप. अगर मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं. जैसे हम लोग यहाँ पे शॉर्ट लेते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे हम लोग यहाँ पे शॉर्ट लेते हैं तो बेरिश कंफर्मेशन क्या होगी अगर तो हम लोग फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ से जाके मतलब एक हायर हाई बनाते हैं यहाँ से. ठीक है, तो हमारा वही है जो पहले टारगेट थे वही सेम टारगेट होगा. इट विल टारगेट दिस बॉक्स $32,000, राइट? इट कैन वेरी वेल डू दिस. मतलब राइट नाउ एवरीवन इज टर्निंग बेरिश. इट कुड पॉसिबली डू दिस एज वेल. सो फॉर एग्जांपल यू गो टेक दिस लोज. आप यहां से मतलब इस रीजन को रिक्लेम कर लेते हैं तो आप हो सकता है कि यहां से मतलब जाके आप नीचे आ जाओ. ठीक है, ऐसे मतलब ये सिनेरियो भी पॉसिबल है, लेकिन अभी हम इतना दूर नहीं सोचेंगे. व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज, अगर यहाँ पे आता है बिटकॉइन तो आप यहाँ पे लॉन्ग ले सकते हैं. ठीक है, टेक प्रॉफिट 1 2 3. एंड यहाँ पे आपको डिसाइड करना है कि आपने यहाँ पे यो ये वाला लेवल है ना. तो वैसे तो मैं पैटर्न ट्रेडिंग मतलब मैं इसमें ज्यादा बिलीव नहीं करता, लेकिन ये देखिए अगर यहाँ पे 29,100 पे आके ऐसे हो कुछ मतलब रिजेक्शन होगी तो ये मैं एक शॉर्ट ट्रेड भी यहाँ पे हम ले सकते हैं. स्टॉप लॉस जस्ट अबव $29,500. मतलब it can also be head and shoulder pattern. मतलब फॉर नाउ आई एम थिंकिंग कि वी विल गेट अ बाउंस, बिकॉज मुझे नहीं लगता कि मार्केट यहां से मतलब नीचे को मतलब राइट वे जाएगी. ठीक है, जा भी सकती है लेकिन दैट इज द आइडिया फॉर नाउ. ठीक है, सो अगर वी डू समथिंग लाइक दिस, आई मीन इफ वी डू फॉर्म दिस पैटर्न, आई मीन ऐसा कुछ होता है, देन मतलब हम नहीं रिक्लेम करते $29,100. Basically, potentially is going back to $22,000 and possible $20,000 Bitcoin. मतलब this is not the out of the woods. लेकिन बेस्ट यही है, टेक इट लेवल बाय लेवल, डे बाय डे, वीक बाय वीक, मंथ बाय मंथ. So for now, this is the plan. And if we come to this region as well, 24,700, I am still interested in long here. Because take profit 1, take profit 2 will be very easy. Okay, markets could go sideways for a long time, guys. Even though this is an uptrend, markets could go sideways for a long time. So I'm going to share both of these setups in the group. लेकिन ये बात अपने ज़हन में रखिए, something like this happen, we come here, ये एरिया नहीं रिक्लेम होता, slowly over time, it might take longer, we will come down and target $20,000. If we can get above, the first sign of strength is $29,100. आप देखिए ना कि ये एरिया बहुत ही चार्ट का एक जरूरी एरिया है. आप देखिए जिस टाइम भी आप यहाँ पे मतलब 4 आवर के ऊपर क्लोज करते हो, ये देखिए ऊपर क्लोज की, बैक टेस्ट नाइसली एंड went to $30,000. अगर आप 29,100 को रिक्लेम कर लेते हैं, then it's a kind of we are back in the game and we can start we can resume this uptrend. But until then, this is from my side, guys. For Bitcoin, very simple, analyze. So here हम लोग लॉन्ग ले रहे हैं. अगर नीचे जाता है यहाँ पे $24,700, यहाँ पे आप एक अच्छी लॉन्ग पोजीशन ले सकते हो. ठीक है, अगर लेवल बाय लेवल इसको लो, 26,700 आप लूज करते हो, you're coming to $24,700. और $24,700 को लूज करते हो, you're coming to sub 22K. Okay, so these are the levels for now, and I'm going to post this chart in the group as well. So that was for Bitcoin, guys, and I will share some more information. One second. So जैसे हम लोग लास्ट वीक भी डिस्कस कर रहे थे, मैं अपनी BTC के चार्ट में आप लोगों को यही बोल रहा था कि जो ये वाला एरिया है, इट इज बिग एरिया टू रिक्लेम. अगर हम मतलब इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल चार्ट गाइस, अगर हम इस एरिया को रिक्लेम करते हैं, आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह मतलब इफ यू आर अबव $32,000, you closing weekly above, we went straight up to $60,000, even though here we went to $41,000, है ना. So this is not the out of the question, but until then you have to see, until you get above this region, so you have to plan accordingly. I think I do have this chart saved. One second, let me find it if I can. सो जैसे आप सबको पता है कि बिटकॉइन हमेशा वही करेगा जो मतलब रेस्ट ऑफ द मार्केट हमेशा वो ही करेगी जो बिटकॉइन करेगा। ठीक है, ये वाला चार्ट जो मैंने पिछली बार भी आप लोगों को शो किया हुआ था। ठीक है, तो ये कहना बहुत ठीक होगा कि अगर जो बिटकॉइन है, ठीक है, अगर बिटकॉइन $32,000 के, मतलब कई लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि मार्केट पंप हो गई तो आप पैसे नहीं बना सकते। ये बात हमेशा याद रखिए कि अगर बिटकॉइन सब $32,000 में एंटर करता है तो यहाँ पे लोग और एंटर होंगे, क्योंकि जो टारगेट्स हो गए वो अपसाइड को हो गए। कभी भी ये मत सोचिए कि अगर मार्केट कुछ परसेंटेज पंप कर गई है तो मतलब आपने बुल रन मिस कर दिया। ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता। 1.5-2 हजार% के मूव से कभी कुछ नहीं होता। तो कभी भी फोमो इन मत होइए। ठीक है, अगर ये रीजन जो चलता है, अगर हम इसको मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल जो हमारी वीकली है, अगर हम वीकली को देखें, अगर वीकली 25 के अंदर क्लोज हो जाती है, ठीक है, तो डेफिनेटली हम इसको, ये हमारे मतलब टारगेट होना चाहिए ईयरली ओपन। मोस्ट लाइकली इट विल गो टू ईयरली ओपन, और very possible it will, I mean the first target will be, let's say, $20,000 this, क्योंकि जो ये हमारा लेवल है चार्ट का, ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल है। इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूं कि $24,700 पे अभी भी बिटकॉइन वापस आ सकता है। मतलब इट कैन वेरी वेल कम हियर। देखिए आप, एक अगर ये मैंने अभी बात नोटिस की है, इफ यू लुक एट द वीकली चार्ट, if you look at the weekly level, right? So we rejected at this level, okay, and we came back, retested this, rejected at this level. So this is very likely that we can come and retest these levels. That is $24,700 to $25,000. Maybe we can retest this, and resume this uptrend. Okay, but आपके लिए मतलब when do you have to be careful in this market? Okay, that is when you lose this level on the chart. Honestly, if we lose this level on the weekly basis, 25,000 $25,000 Bitcoin, most likely gas is coming to $20,000, and slowly we will be targeting these lower levels. Okay, so let's look at the monthly. So as you can see, we still got 6 days to close this monthly. This is not the best looking monthly, as you can see here. So simple, मैंने पिछली बोला था, अगर आप इसको यहाँ पे इसके above क्लोज करते हो, you're targeting 33 के, 38 के and possible 41 के। लेकिन अगर आप इसको इसके below क्लोज करते हैं, then you're targeting minimum of this level, guys. As you guys can see, there's a lot of liquidity at this level. 25,200 and $24,700. If we do get $24,700, the trade is long. You should be taking long at this level. You should not be shorting at this level. And invalidation is very, very clear. One second. So, as you guys can see, अगर आप यहाँ पे लॉन्ग ट्रेड भी लेते हो, ठीक है, तो इनवैलिडेशन इज वेरी क्लियर गाइस। इनवैलिडेशन हो गई आपकी, आप अपने स्टॉप लॉस रख सकते हो $23,900 पे। ठीक है, ये आप अपने यहाँ पे स्टॉप लॉस रख सकते हो, और $23,700 पे भी रख सकते हो, क्योंकि इफ यू, I mean, it is very clear. If you lose this region of the chart, right, technically you're coming here. You're coming to $20,000, right? So there is no need to be long, here, there, right? So you're coming here because you are going to lose the structure. Why this is a very important structure? As you can see here, we got rejected. Again, we cycled the whole range and, made a new low, okay? Again, we rejected here, okay? We every time we get rejected at this level, we almost go to $20,000, $19,000, or we possibly make a new low. So until we close a weekly below 25 or $300, this can still push to $33,000. That we are going to find out maybe this week or next week. We are being very active in the group, so it will be hard to miss the miss the action, because we will be keep you guys updated, so nothing to worry about. So let's look at some altcoins as well. So guys, altcoins, I have been saying this from long time. You buy altcoin, so for example Bitcoin is this 4-year cycle, right? So Bitcoin is 4-year cycle, downtrend, uptrend, whatever it is, right? So altcoins, they will only pump 3 to 4 months. So basically you are accumulating altcoin for one reason, and that is for 3 months or 4 months. Okay, so let's look at the rows. I mean, altcoins, they're going to follow Bitcoin, right? So I mean, there's no way they're decoupling, right? I see a lot of guys on Twitter. I mean, even though I was looking at rows, right? When everybody starts speaking about one, specific coin, is never bullish. Everybody start, taking longs on this coin. Everybody, was like, oh man, we going here, we going there, this coin is going to 40 cents, 55 cents, and it dumped the hardest. And I was just reading on Twitter that Binance, they hold about 2.5 billion of Rose coin. I mean, it's a good news and it's a bad news at the same time, right? You never want one person to hold 2.5. I mean, that's like 25% of the total supply, right? You don't want anyone to hold 25% of the total supply, right? So they have so much power. So if they know the traders are short, they can pump it. If they know the traders are long, they can dump it the hardest, right? So that's why I see, these coins dumping so hard, because these big whales, they hold so much of the supply. So guys, as coming back to the point. So as speaking of Rose and every other coin, as you guys see, this is the range, right? Basically up and down. Every time it goes up 15%, people think it's a bull market. Every time it goes down 10%, people think it's a bear market. So guys, for spot holders, only accumulate. Okay, whenever you think is coming to the resistance, you can sell. You have the chart available. But whenever you want to buy, you want to put risk. This coin is actually very good. It has a very good fundamentals, right? If you want to accumulate these coins, I think for short term it can if the whole market drops, it can come to this region, guys, 44 to 46. It can very well come here. And if it does come here, I will buy maybe 5 or 7% more rows here. Okay, because like I said, I have always showed you guys that now is the time to make plan, right? This is not the time to panic. 2023 is a year of accumulation, right? So it does not matter where Bitcoin goes. Don't you should not be putting. All you need to make sure is, so for example, tell yourself that I'll show you the clean chart. Rows does not matter, guys. Every chart you have, you should have this psychological barrier in your mind that I'm going to have a plan about this coin, so I'm going to do this. So for example, so this is I think they don't have much data. So for example, this is pick any altcoin, your favorite altcoin, either it's Chainlink, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, whatever it is, right? So tell yourself this is my range, right? It's ranging in this region, right? So definitely, you don't want to put a risk at these levels, right? You don't want to risk here. So every time it comes down, you buy. It comes down, you buy. It comes down, you buy. If it does come back to these levels again, 32 or 33, you buy again. Okay. So you buy, this is the accumulation box. You don't have to, I mean, if you are a spot holder, you don't have to worry about this small term price action, right? And even though you bought at 5, it comes to 4 cents, it's the same thing. Even it comes to 3 cents, it's the same thing, right? I can show you so many examples that why this is a accumulation range. You don't have to be bearish in accumulation range, right? So in 2-3 months, I don't know when are those 2-3 months coming. Maybe some more pain coming to the downside, right? But these coins, they will be trading at this level here, okay? And you bought here, you're already up 10%, 10x on your investment, right? If you bought between 3 to 4 cent, right? Trust me, there will be so many people, they will buy at this region, 24, 25 to 31 cent, right? That's how these cryptocurrencies, they keep going up for some time, 3-4 months, right? Because everyone keep buying, right? Here nobody wants to put risk. I mean, if it goes to 3 cent, nobody wants to put risk, right? But if it goes to 30 cent, 40 cent, people want to put risk. And this is how they keep going up. So ask yourself, do you want to buy here or do you want to buy at these levels? So I show you guys a lot this chart. Ask yourself, I mean, this was EDA chart in 2018 to 2019, right? I mean, look at this. It's looking same as rose, guys. So if gut feeling, I mean, if I look at this chart, I think we are here. I mean, rose is here, and it might do this. Okay, it will bore you guys. I mean, you will be bored from crypto. You don't wanna, you want to have no interest in crypto, and then these coins, they will spike the hardest. Okay, as you see, पिछली बार भी बोला था कि हर एक बंदा इसको रेंज बना के बैठा है कि हाँ मतलब this is the range. Just for a few days, they came below this range right here. They came below this range, took everyone out, and then it was at one point, let's say 2 cent, right? 2 cent to 15 cent. That's 8x. It did 8x without even taking any break, right? So you can make this much of money by doing nothing, guys. All you have to do is you don't have to catch the exact bottom. What you can do, you can give yourself a range that I'm accumulating in this level. Okay, ask yourself, if you accumulate in this range, you don't have any stop loss. Definitely you don't want to put a stop loss on your investment, right? You're not trading it, right? You're only accumulating it. So ask yourself, when it moon like this in upcoming years, I mean, will you be worried? Will you have any regret that you bought at these levels? Okay, and it went to this, maybe $2, $1.50, whatever it is, right? So definitely, as an investor, you want to put risk here. You don't want to put risk at these levels. Okay. So let's look at the ICP, next one. Every coin, guys, name any coin, they're all looking same. There is no difference. There is absolutely no difference between these coins. So they're still at the same level. Look at this. So same with the ICP, guys. If ICP goes between 468 to maybe even let's say $3 to $4, I am a buyer. I will be happily buying these coins. Okay. Still, I'm in their range bound. Nothing has changed. Okay. So they're still ranging, and ranging, guys. Nothing going on. Accumulation pace. Let's look at the VRA. The only reason that we flipped a little bearish on this coin, that is the team, they put so much supply back in the circulation. So that is never bullish for any coin. They promise something else, and they promise something else, and they keep dumping the coins on their followers, right? So that is never bullish. Still, if you are interested in VRA, still at golden pocket, okay. If we break this golden pocket, okay, that is 56 half cent, it can possibly come and make a new low, or it can test this 21, 22 region very easily. Okay, so if you want to accumulate VRA, you want to put risk at these levels, guys. 29 to 15. Okay, here you want to put risk for VRA. So you can buy a little bit if you don't have. If you just got in this group and you want to buy something, you can buy a little bit. But this is the major box that you should be interested in. So let's look at the Filecoin. Next one. I think we also posted AR, RWay, right? So this one is also sitting at the golden pocket. So here you don't want to but as you can see, the support has been tested many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this could be the 5th time it is coming to the same region. If you break this region, it can very well go between $3, guys. All the altcoins, they are looking very similar, right? So there is absolutely no difference between this coin is better than the other coin. So I was talking about the RWay, AR. So we added this to our long-term portfolio, and I also have this chart. So RWay, guys, this can be next Filecoins. The fundamentals and tokenomics are very good. If we get to this level, $5, $6, and at possible, let's say it possible make a new low of $3.50, right? You accumulate it. This is a very good coin. This can do similar to Filecoin. So this is also a very nice coin. Okay, guys, so that's it from my side. Now Bajba Bhai will take over. Ask us if you guys have any question. We can answer those questions.
Thank you, Balapaji. Thank you very much. So guys, if there is any question, please पूछें आप लोग. अगर आप अपनी ट्रेड्स के हवाले से, या अक्सर क्वेश्चन आ रहे होते हैं फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग के हवाले से, जिसमें लोग स्टक हो जाते हैं, तो उसमें स्ट्रेटेजी क्या बनानी है और किस तरह चलना होता है. तो अगर आप यहाँ पे पूछेंगे, मेरे ख्याल सबको फायदा भी हो जाएगा और आप भी अपनी ट्रेड को अच्छे तरीके से मैनेज कर सकेंगे. और अगर किसी और कॉइन के बारे में आपको उसका टेक्निकल एनालिसिस जानना है, तो वो भी आप बता सकते हैं, उसको भी हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं जो मिस्ड है. So if any question, please go ahead.
MITX के बारे में थोड़ा बता दो.
MITX. I should have a chart for MITX. Not here. So if we look at the basic on 1 second, right now is breaking down, guys. This was the main level to hold, and currently you're closing weekly below this level, right? So I think for short term it can come to this region very easily. That is 0.06. You close this weekly above 0.13, then you're looking at the higher levels. But short term, if you do close them weekly like this, the pressure is on half cent, 6. As you see, it came back. It did this bearish retest at this region. I will post the updated chart in the group as well. So possibly until it gets above 1.3, you're targeting this level. It's coming here. 0.007 to 0.0065. I think when we posted in the group here, we told everyone this was the region on my chart. I still remember it. That was a 2.12 or 2.23, because you don't want to, once a coin has already done 7 to 8x, you don't want to buy these coins, right? You want to sell these coins. So this was the time to book a healthy profit. And since that, I think we sold this one, if I'm not wrong, by the way, we sold this one in March
On
or
the top,
March
yeah,
or
on the top.
February. Here, we sold exactly here at this region, right? As you see, it turned into resistance and it did this fake out, right, to turn everyone bullish. And since then, it's just downtrend, guys. I wouldn't buy even at this level. I will buy if it reclaimed this, but until then, it's going to half cent, guys. Very clear, very clean chart.
So जी किसी और का कोई क्वेश्चन है तो बताएं काइंडली.
Bex can get a short term. It can get some bounce at this level, that is 0.0040 maybe. But we were telling everyone. I think we sold here 76 and 84, right? It did tap this region, 93, but since that it's been correcting itself. So guys, these are small caps. It doesn't matter how strong the fundamentals are. And possible, if anybody wants to add BACS, this is the region you want to, start at. And that is 28. For example, somebody wants to add BACS, right? They said, I cannot live without BACS. So they can add 15 to 20% here. You break this level of chart, you're coming to this region, and that is 28, 27, 26. You break this region, you're coming to this region. That is 0.001. Okay, you can keep adding 15, 20% if you want. Nothing wrong with that, right? And that's a investment, investment type, not a trading type, right? So that's for the BACS. I also cover BACS. This is a good, support zone for BACS. It's coming to support right now, 0.43 and 28.
थैंक यू.
जी मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है अपना बाजवा भाई, ट्रेडिंग के बारे में, फ्यूचर ट्रेडिंग के बारे में.
जी पूछें.
जब हम लॉन्ग पोजीशन करते हैं या हमने अगर शॉर्ट पोजीशन करनी हो तो किस टाइम फ्रेम को मद्देनजर रखना चाहिए जो ज्यादा बेहतर है, वीकली को, 4 आवर को या मंथली को?